What is digital marketing and how does it work? Digital marketing is quite simply the promotion of a company's products and services through online channels such as social networking websites, blogs, and emails. It enables small businesses to reach a large number of internet users quickly. The digital marketing process entails using internet marketing techniques to promote products or services via search engine optimization in order to increase the number of people who see them. 2. I will now speak on the benefits of digital marketing for small businesses. Marketing has become more sophisticated in this digital age, as consumers are more aware of the market. This has led many small business owners to abandon traditional marketing methods in favor of digital marketing, which is less expensive and more effective. You can increase your company's visibility on a budget by incorporating digital marketing into your overall strategy. But how exactly does digital marketing help a small business SEO? Let's find out in the following section. Firstly, it increases your brand awareness. You can reach more people than ever before by marketing on the internet. Because you can target specific demographics with interesting and fun ads on social media networks like Facebook and Twitter, you can reach a larger audience than an ad in a magazine or newspaper. And also, because people spend a lot of their leisure time on these platforms. Small businesses like the one you will be starting, frequently do not have large marketing budgets and cannot afford costly advertising campaigns. So you can market your products and services for free or at a low cost using online platforms such as social media sites and blogs. You can use these channels to reach a much larger audience than you normally could through traditional means such as television commercials or magazine ads. Secondly, digital marketing allows for targeted marketing. One of the most significant shortcomings of traditional marketing is that it is essentially a guessing game. You disseminate your message to a broad audience in the hope that it reaches the right people. There is no sure way to determine how effective your marketing efforts are. Using these methods, businesses, on the other hand, benefit greatly from digital marketing because it allows for more precise targeting. Take, for example, email marketing. You can send out automated emails based on the actions or preferences of your customers. Account or order confirmation emails, cart abandonment notices, upselling or cross-selling offers, and even newsletter coupons are examples of such emails. Businesses, on the other hand, benefit greatly from digital marketing because it allows for more precise targeting. Take, for example, email marketing. You can send out automated emails based on the actions or preferences of your customers. Account or order confirmation emails, cart abandonment notices, upselling or cross-selling offers, and even newsletter coupons are examples of such emails. Thirdly, digital marketing promises a high return on investment. Big data, predictive analytics, and automation are examples of digital innovations that help make digital marketing much more customer-centric. It is simpler to tailor your SEO to what your target audience desires so that you can provide them with the product they seek. This approach increases conversion rates while saving you money by not wasting money on campaigns that do not produce positive results. For businesses, digital marketing promises a higher return on investment with a significantly lower investment. However, in order to raise your return on investment to a desirable level, you must create valuable content, track the results of your efforts, and constantly improve it. Creating a brand for your company is critical to its success. Online platforms provide the ideal environment for you to develop and grow your brand. Creating a strong digital marketing strategy from the start, including high-quality optimized content, targeted social media ads, online customer service, and interactive website design, can help your brand's reputation and visibility to grow fast. Creating a brand for your company is critical to its success. Online platforms provide the ideal environment for you to develop and grow your brand. Creating a strong digital marketing strategy from the start, including high-quality optimized content, targeted social media ads, online customer service, and interactive website design, can help your brand's reputation and visibility to grow fast. It can be difficult to keep up with the competition when trying to grow your business. Your priority is probably to get more customers through the door. The good news is that you can use SEO or search engine optimization to increase your visibility and, as a result, also increase your conversions by implementing a digital marketing strategy for your small business. I will now talk about some secret digital marketing strategies you can apply and use for your small business. There are thousands of potential digital marketing strategies out there, but I've discovered that every digital marketing strategy requires only 4 key elements. An ideal customer profile, which I will refer to as the ICP. All successful digital marketing strategies start with a research on your target audience. The ICP includes a checklist of the following items: your age, earnings, the gender, Geographical location. The main issue they are dealing with. You can easily find data from existing customers nowadays, thanks to a plethora of excellent marketing tools. If you don't already have this information, you can pay for market research, conduct keyword research, or even participate in online forums where your target customers congregate and hang out. Bottom line, you want to know as much demographic information as possible. Knowing this information allows you to visualize your prospect as if you were speaking to them one-on-one. The second key element is to have a clearly defined customer journey. Be wary of creating marketing assets for the sake of creating marketing assets. I understand the urge to just get it done. However, instead of a haphazard approach, a customer journey roadmap is required. Your customer journey, also known as a sales funnel, is a planned series of steps your ideal prospect takes before becoming a customer. A customer journey consists of 4 basic stages. And they are: lack of awareness, the prospect is either unaware of their problem or is unaware of potential solutions. Some awareness, the prospect recognizes that they have a problem but is unsure of the best solution. High awareness, the prospect is aware that they want to solve their problem with a specific type of solution, but they have not yet chosen the provider or company. Highest awareness, the prospect has narrowed their options to a few products and is ready to make a purchasing decision. It is critical to have a clear vision of your customer journey and then create appropriate content for each stage based on their level of awareness. The importance of the right content at the right time. The final stage of your funnel should include a sales page with pricing and a call to action to purchase your product. Otherwise, your prospect may be unprepared for this step because they do not understand what makes your product the best choice. A downloadable PDF with general tips on how to solve your market's problem, on the other hand, would be more appropriate for the first stage of the buyer journey. They are still learning about their problem and should first learn about their options. So, by keeping the customer journey in mind, you can map out a clear path for your marketing strategy. It will be easier to create the appropriate messaging at the appropriate time. This prevents you from scaring away prospects by introducing salesy content too soon. As a result, the sales funnel becomes more gradual and smooth, with higher conversions. The third key element is creating easy-to-consume content. In 2021, the pandemic prompted even more people to engage with easy-to-consume digital content. Podcasts, for example, have grown in popularity. Podcasts have even been credited by the audio platform Spotify for its more than 24% growth and increased engagement in 2021. It also makes sense. Consumers want quick, easy, and fast access to everything, right from their phone, now more than ever. However, podcasts aren't the only way to produce short, digestible content that people can consume on the go. Long-form blogs can be repurposed into short videos that condense the content's message and require less time commitment from your customers. Even if you don't, make sure your blog content is responsibly formatted for mobile devices. The easier you make it for your audience to consume your marketing content, the more likely they will engage with it. And the fourth key element is social proof. Social proof is a powerful tool in both psychology and digital marketing. Customers are understandably skeptical these days, with so many businesses making bold claims online. Reviews, testimonials, and case studies are all great ways to demonstrate social proof. The majority of customers today will read reviews before making a purchase decision. So if you don't have any of these, you'll be at a disadvantage. Let's take a look at how to implement each of these social proof indicators into your digital marketing strategy. Reviews. Fortunately, obtaining reviews is relatively simple, assuming you have a great product. Simply ask existing customers for feedback and obtain permission to post it on your website. It's a huge plus if they're willing to provide a headshot photo as well. Reviews. Fortunately, obtaining reviews is relatively simple, assuming you have a great product. Simply ask existing customers for feedback and obtain permission to post it on your website. It's a huge plus if they're willing to provide a headshot photo as well. Video testimonials. These are the superhero reviews. You can ask your most ardent customers to record a short video instead of just a one-sentence opinion or a 5-star rating. These testimonials can pique your prospects' interest and engage them on an emotional level, while also increasing their confidence in purchasing from you. Coming to the conclusion and concluding remarks, these 4 crucial elements can boost your marketing campaigns. Marketing is never easy, but it can be made simple by focusing on these 4 factors. You'll be fine if you create an accurate ideal customer profile, understand your buyer's journey, make content easily consumable, and use social proof at every turn. Your digital marketing strategy, and your company, can be more profitable than ever before. Don't fail to subscribe for more awesome videos on how to make money online, doing affiliate marketing and starting free. I'll see you in the next video.